how to change the oil under 991.2 Carrera. Here we go. First step, either jack your car up or rear it up onto some Rhino ramps. Link in the description below. All right, come under your car and right here, this is your drain bolt. You're gonna take a flathead and just unscrew this. Go ahead and vent this oil out, undo that. It's gonna go a lot faster now. All right, here we go, let it all drain out. All right, now we gotta access the oil filter, so you pretty much pull this off. Okay, and then
this thing out and clips and pulls just straight up.
Undo these electrical connectors right here. All you have to do is just push down on here, pull back, push down, pull towards the front of the car. These fan shrouds will just pop right up, just like this. Okay, great. Fan shroud pops up just like this, pulls out right there, great. Get this guy off right here. Pops a little clip off right here. Same thing on this side, you're gonna have to go and free this cable right here. Just push them through. If your car's already hot, this will be a lot faster and easy. So he's off to the side. Pop that off. He's out. He's out. All right, so here is your oil filter. It's right in here. And we're gonna go use a socket to get that off. Okay, we're gonna grab a 36mm socket to go onto the oil cap. If you don't have one of these, I put one in the description below of the video. Also get a ratchet that can bend like this. It's gonna help you out a lot. We're gonna finish it off by hand. A lot of paper towels. Okay. Now we're gonna go pull out the filter. All right, now we're gonna go take this gasket off, the old one, right here. We're gonna go oil up the new one. Just get a little oil in there. I'm just gonna put this on, just like this. Going in first. I'm gonna push it all the way down. And it's not directional. Okay. Until she bottoms out. We're gonna tighten down to 25 Newton meters. All right, all done. All right, time to put the fans back in. So we're gonna do, so right in here. Get your little connectors. And then you're gonna have, it's gonna plug in right there, into the body. And then this nub right here is gonna go into the body of the car. So that plugs in like that. The right and left side are all the same. So go ahead and do your electrical connector. Clip that in. This cable goes right there. All right, just like that, okay. And then what you can do with this wire is plug into the little hole right there. All right, let's get the cover. So again, you're gonna have a plug here, one up front, same for both sides, put your electrical connector back on, and now this shroud goes on. Okay, so you're gonna have this, and these two are gonna go into the outer kind of like sockets, female sockets of these fan shrouds. Just like that. And then we'll put the rubber gasket in. All right, now we're gonna put the plug in the bottom of the oil pan. We're gonna get a little drop of oil, put on our little new gasket right here. Let's get our flathead. We're just gonna go this right here. Done. Give it a little wipe. We'll hit it with some brake clean in about 5 seconds. We're gonna move the top of the car. All right, on your screen right now, you're gonna have a bunch of oil capacities depending on what kind of car you're driving. So this part of the video is just gonna be me putting oil inside of the funnel, and away we go. If you have any questions at all, please drop in the comment below. Any tool used in the video will all be linked in the description. We'd appreciate a little like, maybe a little subscribe if you like it. If you have any questions at all, like I mentioned, put it down in the comment below. Happy to answer them. These are fantastic cars, easy to work on. No need to be stressed out. All right, so you're gonna have a service light probably on here for checking your oil. All right, here's the iCar Soft. So we're gonna do smart scan on the Porsche. Turn ignition on. Just the battery. Let's get there. Okay, cool. communicating. We've got a 911. Turn ignition off. Okay. Oil service. Turn ignition on. Okay, communicating. Input the current date.
Might have to cut that out for YouTube. I know
Application complete. Okay. It worked?
Yeah, because it's the.
And to show you that this works, we'll turn the ignition on. Okay. We'll go over to the maintenance mode. Okay. There's no more oil change lights needed. All right, everyone, that's how you change the oil on your Porsche 991.2. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. And we'll see you next time. Now in the video, we were using the Porsche iCar Soft OBD2 reader. This is the version 2.0. I will have this linked in the video description below. I love using this tool on all of my cars here. I have several Porsches. I use it to reset check engine lights, read codes, DME reports, oil change lights, service intervals, any kind of weird electrical issue I might have with the car. I can use this tool to reset or program the car itself. Maybe you want to have, your lights on after you light the car. Whatever it is, this tool can do that. So if you have any questions about this tool at all, I've made other videos out there with it and similar tools as well. I've also used the Foxwell scan tool as well. Now this one did not work on the 991.2 for resetting the oil change light, so you would need the iCar Soft Porsche V2.0, and those instructions were outlined in this video as well. I couldn't recommend this tool enough. It's only like 140, maybe 150 bucks. I think it's money well spent, considering that just one hookup to the DME report or PIWIS at Porsche will charge you around maybe $200 for an hour of use. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comment below, and we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.